Okay, so right now we're in Phoenix and we're breathing heavy because we're running to our gate.
Yeah.
So we are boarding a regional jet. Do not love those whatsoever. Big piece of advice is if you are sketch about smaller planes, when you're booking your ticket, you can definitely look at the type of the plane that you're booking and choose correctly. I had to choose between this small sketch plane, which I do not love, versus going to Denver in really bad weather on a bigger plane. So I chose the smaller plane and it should be fine, but I'm not overly thrilled right now. And I'll show you what it looks like soon. It's not that small, but it's just kind of smaller than my preferred plane, I guess. But yeah, it's not tiny. It's a regional jet, not super small. CRJ 700, I think. Okay, 8C and D, right here.